Fish on, guys. Woo! Fish on. Nicky, fish on! Can you handle this? Handle walking across this. Put your phone in your pocketbook, please. You have to hold on to the trees and go around this. You heard me? So meaning, see like a rascal. So I'm gonna try. So you gotta step, look. Step here and hold on to these trees and come around. Don't step on this wood. Huh? Don't put all of your weight on the tree, then we have hold on for it now. Jesus Christ in Kutsi.
You know what camera is to do that.
Hurry up before the tide come in, Panway. That's what you do. My first time coming to the spot, guys. I've never fished this spot before, but I'm gonna try a paddle tail in here real quick though, and run it across here real quick. I have a mono lead. Let's get it across here real quick. I'm gonna switch this lead off, guys. Take this lure off. I have mono lead. I didn't tie a wire lead up. I'm probably gonna get hammered by a barracuda or something like that. But I need to tie one up. I know it's being lazy not tying one up right now. But we're gonna work with this mono lead today. They're all bent up, and I just don't feel like using a bent up wire lead, guys, to be honest with you. So, see if we got a little glitter left in that lure. We got one we beat up some fish with the other day, so if I lose this one, it's not so bad today, guys. Alright, Jamaican Shore Fishing, welcome back to the channel, guys. Big up yourself. We was at Fort Charlotte on the other side the other day and was fishing. Now we're on this side. I'm gonna give this a shot out here and see if we can pick something up in these shallows, guys. Hope I bump into a barracuda or something here. Hope I don't hit any long jaws, because they'll definitely cut this friggin' line if they come in. Let's try in the shallows there, guys. Don't want to leave anywhere uncovered, guys. Trying all these corners. Make sure I don't leave anybody missed this morning. Covering a large area. All right. Get this across here, guys. Might get somebody on patrol this morning. Alright, guys, finding out. Make sure I gotta watch Nikki so she's not in my strike zone. Nikki, stop moving back and forth behind me because I'm gonna swing this rod and the hook's gonna catch you. I'm not gonna warn you again. Fish on, guys. Woo! Fish on. Nikki, fish on! Look. That's what's up. Fish on, guys. Jackfish, early morning kill, guys. That's what's up. Got him. Striker! That's what's up. Hold up. Take a picture. Alive it upon? No. Fishing here, guys. Welcome to Bulls Bay Hanover. This is a little Bulls Bay beach cove. Yeah, guys, fish are feeding. I seen something. Oh shit! I just put my bear away. See like a ghost one or something. Let's get a red stripe for this one. And we good to go. Jamaican shore fishing. We are out here. So you guys done. I was done in Bulls Bay, guys. Show you how the lure fishermen do it in Bulls Bay, guys. Clear my lure up, make sure my lure is swimming properly. You got to double check these things when you're lure fishing. And you got to make sure that the water that you're fishing in has the perfect settings for you to fish. Alright? Let's get out in this reef and see if we can pick something up, guys. Show these guys how it's done. Fish on! Fish on! That's how it's done. Bulls Bay Hanover, guys. This is how it's done, guys. That's it. That's right. Bulls Bay Hanover. Bulls Bay Beach, guys. This is how we do it. Jamaican shore fishing, Jamaican lure fishing. That's right. That's striker.
Catch fish out here.
Yeah, man. This
No
is
matter where we go.
this is what's up, guys.
Can
We out hunt. It's never a dull day, huh?
People don't know that me never did go climb down that.
Hold on, I can't come here.
Don't respect my life. Sorry, I leave it to the professionals. Yeah. But up 2 now. We need 1 more.
Hold on, Nikki. See if we can find 1 barrel now. Heads up. Ah, Jamaican shore fishing here, guys. Ooh, look at the sprats. And I got my sabiki. Ooh, look at the sprats, guys, right there. All sprats. Whole bunch of sprats, guys. They're here. Woo-hoo. That's what's up. Jamaican shore fishing. Jamaican lure fishing. Let's pick up a barrel real quick. Right? There's one here someplace. I know he is. Let's locate him. bait by Baby Jack. Hey guys, you're making sure fishing here, guys. Guys, Negril Pier, Westmoreland. Look at these guys working on boats back here. Cooler man, cooler man. Oh. Nothing yet, guys. Nothing chasing. Get him up. Chasing. Got something chasing, guys. Somebody spotted. What's up? Woo! Where your big brother at? Go back there. Send your big brother come look for me. Fish on, guys. Fish on. Oh! Got him. Small jack. Little fella. Come here. Alright, come on. Don't want to hurt you. Kind of small. Come on. Ain't grab it hard enough. Trying to save his life. Not kill him because he's kind of small. Bigger than that? Huh? Yeah, way bigger than 5-10 pounds, bro. Nicky, look at homeboy catching Sprite over there. Look. Yeah. But are you in there? A whole heap in there, so. But they not pick up on the Sibiki.
No, you're both homeless. Both homeless. No, you're both homeless. One of you both.
Yeah, I'm homeless. I don't live anywhere. I really don't live anywhere. So.
You're that easy. I believe you. You take the water boat time.
Right. So you see, I gotta catch my own food.
That's why. That's why everybody was looking at her weird in the tone. I was wondering why everybody was looking at her weird. I was like, she's wearing the water boot.
Yeah.
Yeah, but we're fishing.
Yeah. Love y'all.